morning.
Happy Sunday.
It is a good Sunday. We are here in Cabo.
Beautiful Cabo.
Cabo San Lucas, Mexico.
Yes. Check out the marina, you guys. This place is absolutely beautiful. Dreaming of these yachts has been one of our favorite activities here, at least for me, and pretending that I own one of these. And I'm just parked here for New Year's and enjoying this beautiful sunrise.
So for context, yes, we did come down here for New Year's. It is past New Year's. We haven't really been doing any recording, but we came down to meet some friends that we met back in Guatemala.
Which, if you haven't seen that series, you better watch it.
Yep. So we got a message, hey, what are you guys doing for New Year's? We didn't have any plans, so here we are. We're in Cabo. So they run Distinguished Taste.
Yes.
And it's a food, wine, and cultural type experience. So if you're looking to learn about wine or you want to do a luxury tour in Europe, they're your people.
Yes.
So we'll put their website down.
Who doesn't love wine, right?
Right.
I feel like in order to be
Really
friends,
good.
you have to like wine.
But some of the things we've done on this trip, we've been eating a lot.
Oh my
and
gosh. Well,
hopping
and a
around.
little bit of drinking.
Yeah. So Cabo, it's solid.
What I like is that it's not very big, so you can walk all of Cabo very comfortably, and that's what we've been doing. We've done so much walking, exploring, stopping at different places to eat. You guys, the tacos, oh, so delicious, and you'll
It's
get
really
lots
good.
of recommendations, right?
Yeah. So you'll find when you come here, or if you come here, it is very familiar if you're from the US. So it's a very good barrier to entry if you're looking for a light, calm travel.
Ooh, that's a
with
great.
Not a
assessment.
lot of logistics needed. You can kind of come here, get dropped off in Cabo, and just kind of walk around, bar hop. I mean, they were even playing football on all the TVs yesterday.
Oh my gosh, every single game. So whatever sport team you're a fan of for football, they've got you.
Yeah.
Bring your jersey, get ready.
Yeah, so a little bit different than what we usually do, but
Yes.
good
Very
place.
relaxing. Great way to start the year.
Yeah, I'd say.
So we've got a recommendation for you. If you're in Cabo, you have to come eat at Romeo and Julieta. This was such an amazing and delicious experience. We were here last night and they had live music. There was a guitar player. He was pretty talented. And the best part, they have a wine bar? Yeah. Attached to it. And it's great if you're still waiting for your table to come and have a drink.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. We had really good food, and it started off with a burrata.
Yes.
Then we had our
Bread
entrees.
service.
I had a lasagna, and my pistachio was amazing. Gelato. Well, yeah, must try if you are here. You're in the area. Cabo has some great restaurants.
Yes.
This was probably our top while we were here. So,
Absolutely. Italian. It's a courtyard. Very pretty.
yeah. I mean, when you go, you'll see menus in English everywhere.
Yeah.
And
You'll find people that speak English all around
yeah.
Cabo.
And everywhere accepts US dollars and pesos, but pay with pesos. You'll win on the exchange that
for
way.
sure.
So that's a
Guys,
good spot.
we hear you can come swim with dolphins here. So if you're here for a little bit of a length of time, there's so many different activities that you can do. So off of the marina, you can charter a boat, big or small, depending on how much money you want to spend. And you can go out and see the arch. You can check out the whales depending on the season. You can go fishing. What else can you do? You could go surfing.
Yeah, or bar hopping. A lot of people
hopping.
are just bar hopping around and visiting, getting different drinks. There is a beach area that's very resort-like. I mean, all the resorts back up to it, so you can just hang out at the beach. Not typically what we do on our trips, but once again, if you're looking to start traveling or try to get some international travels in, but you're a little skeptic or
You're not sure what you're into just yet.
right, this is a very low barrier to entry, very easy to get to, really solid. But while we're talking about barrier to entry and how we got here, logistically it's been a pain. So we did book on Delta, or through Delta, it was on Aeromexico metal, so we were gonna fly their plane, and man, the flight times started changing dramatically, back and forth, back and forth.
We got several emails saying that
and eventually Aeromexico was going to get us here 6 hours later than we initially needed or wanted. So called Delta, got it switched, so we got here on the time that we wanted, but then...
And through Delta instead of Aeromexico.
Right, so it was on a Delta plane. But then for our return trip, I go to check in and the flight disappeared. So Aeromexico canceled the flight, didn't tell us, didn't tell Delta even. No. Delta was confused.
Which I'm not really sure how that works with our partners.
But it took us like 2 hours to get back on a plane to go home later.
Which we'll be doing today at some point.
It was a little bit of a challenge, but as we mentioned, not a lot of recording here. We did want to show you a little bit of the area because it is really nice.
It's beautiful.
And
look at like the places where we're staying. So we're actually staying in an area called Pedregal. So it's a little bit higher on the mountain, which has been great for our athletic abilities, right? Because you're an athlete.
I am an athlete, and that uphill was a mess.
I recommend bringing sneakers. I only brought like flip-flops and sandals. Bring sneakers.
Pre-workout or something to get you over these damn hills, but they exist. You need to be aware of them because they'll sneak up on you.
And the cactus, check out the cactus. I love it, they're everywhere, they're so pretty. All right, so next on your list should definitely be coffee. Coffee culture is big here. And we found 2 different spots that we really enjoyed. So this is one, the Cabo Coffee. Our friends love this place, so they visit this daily. They're inside ordering right now. The other one that we found that was really cute was called Café Distrito 23410. And that one was really cool over by the marina. Are you impressed that I remember that name? So easiest way to find this particular coffee shop, you want to go by the park here, Park Amelia Wilkes, and you'll be able to find Cabo Coffee.
Right across the street, and you can't go wrong with solid coffee.
Ooh,
and
I tried something different though yesterday.
Yeah, you did. But if your coffee shop is good enough to have their own merch, then it's probably a solid coffee shop.
Legit. What are you gonna get today?
The same.
I'm gonna try something different.
I'm gonna get my latte con soya.
Okay, welcome to Blue Bay. This is our Airbnb. Let me show you this amazing pool. And check out this view. We've really enjoyed this view. But let's go upstairs and check out our place. All right, so you may have seen that usually we are hotel people. So this is something that's a little different for us. We've stayed, this is our second Airbnb together. There's stairs involved. Whew, winded. I've done this several times. Don't be fooled. Well, let's see. It's me. Hi there.
Hello.
Welcome.
I was expecting you.
Check out our place. So this is the entryway. Cool light wall. Let's see here. Look at this. This is the living room area. We actually haven't really sat here.
At all.
We've got our dining room, kitchen. We've spent time there. Hello there. We purchased some items to have here. This is the laundry room. Let's check out this view outside though. Check it out, our patio. Grill if you want to use that. Watching sunrise from here has been pretty cool. You can't beat this view. Absolutely stunning. There's a pool again. Well, let's check out some of the rooms. So we were actually quite surprised how big this place was, right?
Yeah.
Very big. So this was one of the first rooms we saw. It does have its own bathroom here. And this bathroom I really enjoyed. Check this out. Look at that. How neat is that? Fit for royalty. I really enjoy this decor here. So that's one of the bathrooms. And then we deemed this the guest bedroom. So we actually didn't use it. Jen was using it to iron. You want to take us to the other rooms?
This way.
This way. This way.
So there's another room there, similar to ours, but has the external view. And this is where we were staying.
Yeah. So this is the bathroom here. Also very ornate type of mirrors. The shower. Check out the decoration in here. We don't really know what to make of this room. It's pretty cool though. I like the wallpaper. We couldn't figure out how to turn on the TV. We couldn't find a remote.
That wasn't doing anything.
No. And gosh, if you are a fan of like complete darkness at night, this is your jam. Because the wallpaper, the really thick curtains, it almost seems like there's no windows. But there is. It's just to the indoor of the building. But there you have it. What did you think of our Airbnb experience?
It was cool. We don't typically do Airbnbs, but the interesting thing is, space-wise, our room alone would have been what we would have gotten at a hotel. And then we had the common areas and things that we can share. So, good experience, and it was a good location. So, if you're in Cabo,
Pedregal, yes.
Check out that spot. It's on the top of a hill, which is nice when you're there because you can overlook all of Cabo. So it's really nice, or at least the touristy area. Going down, not too bad. Just getting back up, maybe have some pesos for a taxi.
Get yourself an Uber. All right, so that's it. That is our tour. You'll have to let us know what you think of this Airbnb.